Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another catch and cook, and this time we're going to be cooking some Mayan cichlids. You guys know how much I like them. I talk about them all the time. They're delicious fish. They're one of the main reasons I go down south. They're awesome fighting. They're just a blast all around. So in this video, we're going to do it kind of an Oriental style, kind of a Szechuan style. So that'll be kind of interesting. So real quick guys, check out this clip of me catching a couple Mayans, and I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and I'll see you in the kitchen, y'all. Alright guys, there's another big Mayan right here. Let's see if he sees it. He sees it. He got it. He got it. There he is. Alright. Number 4 Mayan. Woohoo! Oh man, they get you right around those weeds. Such a fun fish. Let's see if I can't. Oh, no, I'm gonna lose when I do that. There we go. Awesome. Number 4, guys. Look at that. Big chunky monkey too. Sweet. Awesome. Spooked him, guys. Our little one's down there. He's going to it. I think he's got it. I think I'm about ready to get me one. He's got it. We got him. Nice Mayan. Man, this is so much fun. Lake Ida, guys, I'm telling you, this is the place to be. Not even joking. Definitely the place to be, guys. And we are lucky enough to find an Airbnb right here on the canal, and I'm doing this in my backyard. Holy cow, that's 5, guys. That is awesome. Alright guys, got my Mayan Cichlid right here. Pretty little fish. So we're going to go ahead and clean it up real quick. It's a pretty easy fish to clean. Clean it just like you would any other fish, like a sheep's head or something. Like we always do, we just sit there and run our knives around that backbone. Make sure you hear that clicking sound. You know you're getting all the way down there. Find you an entry point, go through, put pressure, come all the way down. The smaller fish, I'm just going to go all the way through the rib cage. About like that. Cut that off. There you go, we got a nice little fillet right here. So we're going to go ahead and skin it. Just like that. Check for pin bones. There you go, guys. It's a really nice fillet. Now, real quick, guys, I'm going to show you something. This Mayan has a little bit oranger meat. The other one had really white meat. This one's a little bit oranger. And the reason it's orange is because what they've been eating, their diet. But it does not change the taste of the meat. It still is absolutely excellent eating. Alright, Jettie Rockers, we're in the kitchen. Here I got my Mayan Cichlid fillets. We got 7 of them. And what we're going to do today, we're going to do it kind of a Szechuan style. I got some Szechuan spicy sauce. We're going to need 1 jar of this. We're going to need some orange juice, some green onions, and some olive oil. Alright, well I got my green onions cut up. I got these. We're going to start the cooking process with these, and these are going to be saved for in the middle and at the end. So I got some olive oil in the pan right now, heating up. So as soon as that's heated up, we're going to stick these in there. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put our green onions in here. We're going to cook these for just a little bit. And we're going to add our Szechuan sauce and our orange juice. Okay, well, I got my Szechuan sauce here. We'll go ahead and pour that in the pan. About like that. You get all this residue in here, and that's what the orange juice is for. So we're going to take the orange juice, we're going to pour it in here. Pour it to about 3/4 of the way full. We're going to shake it all up. Get all that sauce out of that bottle. See, get all that stuff off. So now it's in with the orange juice. Now we're going to add that. Alright. And we're just going to let this cook for a little bit, guys. Get it all mixed together. And then we'll add our fish. Man, that looks and smells outstanding. So we'll let this simmer for a little while, for maybe about 5 minutes, and we'll add some fish. Alright guys, it's been simmering for a little while. You can see a slow little boil there. That's what you want. So we're going to go ahead and add our fish fillets in here. Get them in here any way you can. They overlap, they overlap. We're going to get all 7 fillets in here. Alrighty. Looks about like that. Alright, now that we got our fish in there, we're going to throw a little bit of the green onions on top. Just a little bit, because we're going to save the rest for the end. And then we're going to cover this. We're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And we'll check it. Hopefully it'll be done. Alright guys, it's coming along really nice. Looks really good. It's on a slow boil. I got it on a low heat. We're just basically simmering it. Smells outstanding. Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to test a couple of these fish. And, they can go for a little bit longer. They're still a little, not quite done. So we'll go a little bit longer. Alright guys, I'm going to check them. Yep. Alright, they are done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat off. We're just going to let them sit in here for like another 5 minutes. Let them soak up all that flavor. Alright guys, well it's all ready to go. I let it sit for about 6 minutes. In that time I cooked some rice. So we're going to get some more Mayan Cichlid fillets out of here. As you can see, they hold up really good. They stay together really nice. Put a little bit of sauce all over it. Alright, man, that looks good, guys, don't it? We're going to take some of these fresh green onions. We're going to put it on top. Man, that looks good. Almost looks like I'm a gourmet chef, but I'm not. Alright, guys, I'll see you at the couch. Okay, guys, we're at the table, or the couch, rather. There's my Szechuan Mayan Cichlid. So we're going to take a bite of this real quick. This is the first time I've made Mayans this way. I normally just eat them fried. That's my favorite way. But I didn't want to do another fried fish video. So we're doing this. So here's what the meat looks like, guys. The fish looks like. Holy cow. Oh my God, it smells so good. Guys, that's outstanding. I mean, that is absolutely excellent. But it does got a pretty good kick to it. Holy moly. That's a little spicy, but I like it. Oh, wow. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, something a little bit different. It's the first time I've done the Szechuan style with Mayan cichlids, and it's really good. I really like it. I usually eat my Mayans fried. That's usually how I do it, and I absolutely love fried Mayan cichlid. I think it's excellent. Well, this is a little different, a little change, because I've done a lot of fried fish videos. So I want to thank you guys for watching it. I appreciate you all very much, and I want to thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing to this channel. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I really do. And I appreciate y'all's comments. But on the comment subject, let's keep it about fishing, y'all. Okay, there's been a few comments made about my wife Amber, and they kind of rubbing me the wrong way, and I want to address it. Just, you know, please keep it about the fishing. If you guys keep making comments about her, then I'm just going to block you as a subscriber. And I'd hate to do that. You know, I appreciate you very much, but let's keep it professional, I guess you could say. And let's keep it about the fishing, okay? Well, guys, till I get to see you all soon here on the water, Thailand's Jettie Rockers. Hey, Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mug. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.